What's up guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant, welcome back to the channel. Now I am not happy at all because I've got yet another problem when it comes to the PlayStation 5. So already I've had issues with the console itself making noises that it shouldn't do. I've had one controller break where the spring in the trigger has gone, and whilst that has been sent off, I got another controller and now that one is broken. This time I'm getting stick drift, and I'm going to show you guys what that's like right now. Now, as you've just seen, it doesn't do it constantly, but when it does do it, it is really annoying. Now, the reason for me doing this video is just to give you guys a heads up of a potential another issue. Also, I know that Sony watch channels like mine, and I know I'm not the biggest channel going, but still, I suppose I could be classed as an influencer. And, more people like myself complain about it, then more than likely Sony are going to have to do something about it. Now, at this moment in time, if I didn't already own a PlayStation 5, then I would probably hold off because they do seem to be just, a little bit buggy at the moment. You've got problems with your controllers. You've got the consoles themselves making all sorts of noises. I think it's going to be a few months before Sony are going to sort of, realise what all these issues are and get round to then rectifying them. And then hopefully everyone then will get a sweet console without all these headaches. Now, don't be surprised if my next video is titled something along the lines of Bodybuilder Throws PlayStation 5 into Stratosphere, because that is the way that I feel with this thing at the moment. But anyway, if you have enjoyed this video today, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. I know it's a bit of a downer video, but please give me a thumbs up for it anyway. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, then please do so for more of the same in the future. So, thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully I'll catch you guys on next one. Bye for now.